So in this clip, I want to show you how to use Solver, which is another feature of Excel, to find the values for variables in formula, which is hard to calculate based on direct methods. So here we want to find the values of x for different values of y. This is the same equation that we've used for goal seek. Now I want to solve the same equation using Solver. So in order to do that, again, we need an initial guess for x. So again, we are going to use 0.5 as our initial guess. And I'm just going to put this formula here in this cell as fx, and I'm going to take this y to the other side of the equation so that we would know that this equation would equal to 0. So I'll just write this down here. So it will be x, which is this one, divided by 1 minus x. It will be 1 minus this cell times 2 minus x, which is 2 minus, again, this cell. And close this parentheses, and you can close the whole thing. And as I said, I just will take y to the other side of the equation, so it will be minus y, which is here. So this is the formula here. Now I want to find the real value of x using Solver. So in the tab data here, you will find Solver here, but if you don't have it there in your Excel files, you can add it in. For that, you just need to click on File, choose Options, choose Add-ins. If this is written Excel Add-ins, then you click on Go. You tick the box which says Solver Add-in, and click on OK, and Solver appear here. So when you do that, you just choose the cell that you want to set to a certain value. You choose Solver. So this set objective should be the cell that you want to change to a certain value, which is this one. And the value here is 0. So you can, that's the feature of Solver. That's actually the advantage of using Solver. You can maximize this, you can minimize this, or you can set it to a certain value. And so the certain value here is 0, and the changing variable cell is x, which is this one. So it is actually B8, which is that one. So if you click on Solve, it will give you the value here. So if we click on OK, you'll have the value here. And again, just like what we did with goal seek, you can magnify this figure here in order to have a better or more exact value of x. So if we're doing that, you just multiply whatever you got from here by a big number, which is like 10,000 here, and then choose Solver again to set this one to 0 by changing the same variable, which is that one, x. So if you click on Solve, you'll see that this will be a very small figure, and that's very close to x that we wanted. If you do the same thing for these values, you'll get the good answer here that we were looking for. So we'll just repeat what I've done here. So choose Solver. The set objective this time will be this cell. Value is the same, and x will be this cell. Right. And if I click on Solve, it will give me the result, and I can magnify it here. Choose Solver again. This time, the objective will be this one. Everything will still the same, and it is calculated. For the last one, again, choose Solver. We would choose the set objective, which is this one. 0, x is going to be 10. If you click on solve, it should give you the result, and then you can apply it. Choose solve again. Set objective, that one.